My advice to all the cultists in Nigeria, mostly at those states, I just come out this morning at the paro. At the paro for all those cultists within Nigeria, mostly at those states. Now they fool on yourself. If you know say you be cultist, you dey kill your own fellow brother, you not get sense. If you know say you be cultist, you dey kill your own fellow brother, you not get sense. I just can't use the opportunity to advise all those people where they beating, where just they kick up and down. Una not get sense. Now poverty they worry now. Imagine the cockability. Where did they worry on herself? Una go jail court to the kill innocent people. Where be say government they there for una to use na unity. Come back together. Wanna go meet government. Wanna ask government what the government will take benefit to now. Now they kill each other. At the paro, not be like this morning, video where I don't watch it yesterday, the way they kill innocent people for Benin. At the shame for all the cultists within Nigeria. At the shame for now. Okay, may I ask now one question? Una not be big men where they cultists. Like Davido now, if he carry gun go keep person. Whiskey if he carry gun go keep person. Two-Face, not be cultist. He go fit carry gun go keep person. Una no people where they cultists where be say they wear. They fit carry gun go keep person. All those poor people wey never see food eat. Mumu people. Your call say be cultist. No they call cultist. Now illiteracy they worry all of na illiteracy. I want tell you now. Aye, Bokania, Maf, Arobaga, una dey craze. Una not get sense. Which day una don unite? Una still call una self say mo still do meeting. Mo go meet government. Say see wetin we because we no viral. If you look the old cultists, don't be waiting they had again. All the old cultists not viral. Which cultists they not? Even they get branch abroad. Come Europe, make us see the old cultists. They get branch everywhere. They get branch abroad, get branch everywhere for the world. Now don't viral. Now don't viral full everywhere. Still yet, now don't use no sense. Mona gather together. Say okay, now let's go and meet federal government or state government. More demand something from them. What you go help? Okay, Mona look Niger Delta. Now you see Niger Delta militants. Now cut this the BO, but they're tight. They don't they key anyhow. If they want key, they don't say they want key. They don't they key anyhow. All those Niger Delta cultists. Just not be cultists. Niger Delta militants, they be cultists. Just that they wear. All those local Benin people they say cultists. You all come out, you fly blue beret, come out fly black beret, cause the form say my God, now poverty they worry you. If you don't make money, you'll know say this is why they tell you the truth. If you don't really make money for life, you'll come see and say, really, to even come and say you be cultist, the shame not let you try. You'll say na shame, na stain to your name. Na stain to your name. If they pay me say, some people you sit down, they know you get sense. Which day since na start that cultist for Nigeria? Which day of don't sit down? Aye, Mafat, Bokanian, Arobaga, no sit down and still do meeting for now. Say which day? You go join the cultist, say maybe enemy of the other court. You go join the cultist, make you be enemy of the other cultist. What do you make you join cultist? Say what do you make you join court? You where they wash me, what do you make you join court? You join court, make you go to kill the other person. Or you join court to make you deal. What do you make you join? I know you know. See what did they happen for those states now? Now see what did they happen for those states? Are you guys happy? When be say people you go for nowhere. Don't you go for nowhere. Say they be caught, it's going to keep people for those states. Now they happy. Now they happy. When people you go for nowhere. You're going to keep people for those states. Now let those states for the do killing. No go about, no go another place, no go north. No go kill people for north. We then don't hear say people where they north. That's why they kill themselves for cultist matter. We then don't hear say people where they north. That's why they kill themselves for cultist matter. Why business let those states? Why business let those states? Why those states? Where be say any small thing, I don't kill better people. Where be say supposed to be better people in future. I don't kill all of the finish. No one be president tomorrow. No one be governor tomorrow. All the name of Aye, Bokania, Mafat. Now don't kill everybody finish. Now God will punish all of you now. Now God will punish all of you now. No, they don't get sense. Big boy whether they make money, big boy, where don't they make money? You know if you carry gun come and say I will kill a fellow person. For what reason? Now not even they drag money. Ask me to the cost quarter. If you go party now, that one say my girlfriend. Yours body they like my girlfriend. Very nasty things where they cause problem. Not be money na they share oh. Now it cause problem. Not be money cause problem. Where did they cause problem? Nothing. Since where cut is the fight for bill, we don't know it cause problem. Before you knew, they don't kill Sazua. Before you knew, they don't kill Jacob. Before you know, waiting. Oh, wakire, oh, what wakbe wakire. Bini people wakire. If you do, all the cultists where they bini wakire, oh, what wakbe. Una not get sense. Okay, see una leader for inside the cultists. All those ones they go meet governor. Governor, the tear money give them. May I tell you something? A year leader, Mafat leader, Bokania leader, Arobaga leader. Their leader, they'll go collect money for governor hand. All these small boys go they kill yourself. You know, not get sense. Like me be now, all Kofra and my friend. If you come and say, man, don't play with this Kofra, or man, don't do this one, now God will punish you. You the craze. All Kofra and my friend. Are they mad? Where did they stop? Where did they stop? See now they kill everybody anyhow. Wait not they drag. Wait not they drag. Wait not they drag. You know the meaning of death? If you keep person don't finish, you are condemned the career. Financially, you destroy the life of that person. So yours they when you born, before you all know. If your wife see the hospital, maybe the boy say want go see wife before you all know they say don't kill the boy. For what reasons? Which gain that they get? You don't kill 5 people, you say you rugged. Which gain you get? At the end, you're hungry. You don't kill 5 people. You don't call yourself say you rugged. You rugged to kill 5 people. Which gain you get for that to killing that 5 people? You bomb, you dey okay, you rich. At the end, you're going to smoke go for corner. No level for you. Big boys don't never have kill. More than constantly big boys they do. They just zoo up and down. They zoo. I bet when they share this video. I want me all the cultists where they bini. May they listen to this video. I beg all the cultists where they bini. I want me to listen to this video. All their number one, all the leaders of the cultists, may they listen to this video. It's hard time for not to advance on ourselves. Why killing? Too much killing is too much. Why? If they pardon me, why? Where did they stop? None of you organize. All the leaders organize. Okay, now as we don't very rich now. Nowhere they don't know the cultists. Call Europe here. Call all the states for Europe. If they say cultists not, then I lie. All the states for Europe, cultists there everywhere. At the end, no benefit, nothing. Now you also they kill each other. Fool yourself up and down. Why? Why fooling yourself? You go join cultists, make for going to kill your own brother. What to make you join cultists? Maybe for going to kill your own brother, let me make you join cultists. Now better thing be that. You go join cultists, make they kill your own brother. Now better thing be that. Your own brother. Hey God, are they shame for Benin people? Wagumagba ne do walao, ivye do walao. Keke wariri aje do, wanaga cultists. Walwe wanegbuwa. The killing is too much. The killing is too much. Why? The killing is too much. Why killing like that? Which day all the Kofra still sit down, doesn't mean still do friend. One day, all the Kofra within Nigeria, all the Kofra within Nigeria go sit down. Say, okay, most still unite together. Waiting. When I join the Kofra, until they kill each other. Those days all the year back Kofra for peace, for unity. But now, not to the key. What? None of they go killing. None of they go killing. Why killing? The killing is too much. Why? It good maybe say all the number one, Aye number one, Eye number one, Bokania number one, Mafa number one, all the number one men. Mona come and call you, everybody come and call them. Mona call them. Now the craze. I don't get judge this money. What did they worry on now? I don't get sense. Mona go the next state. Mona go the rest state. Whether they suffer Benin, they suffer the rest state like that. No. Wajare no like cut. Mumu people. Mumu. Now poverty they worry about. You know the kind of poverty where they worry wish. You get one video where I do wish they hear. I say all the wish where they Nigeria. No billionaire for wish. Not ever see billionaire for wish. Now poor people they see for wish. That poverty life where they worry wish. Now they worry all those cultist people. That poverty life when they worry all those wish, now they worry all those cultist people will be say they don't get future for their life. When did they just get not to kill? Why? Why killing? Why killing? Why killing? No, no get sense. So the boys don't rock more for Benin call Europe. Still here, the killing still take place. This must more rat when you wake up tomorrow. Not say you carry go the key. No, no get sense. No, no get sense. No, even come out. And even they blame guess where they friend all those boys self. Guess where they friend of now be wayward guess. Any guess where be say you see say your old guy now cut this in the key. You still carry to they give him a fuck. You be a girl. Your body to disown you as a daughter. If all those boys don't see girlfriend friend, they go wise. They go wise. No, not too much. Where did they stop? Where did they stop? No get sense. See killing for Edo State, it be like war. Since then when be say war day, I never see say all the roads where they Nigeria or Edo State, more than gather say okay now let's go and fire government. No fit do anything. Now evil people never they caught. Now they ever they do end process, end SARS, and I don't see where all those countries come at one day. All of now fly belly say okay. Do you know say that this group, now you be this one, now this group, will never come out demand for one better thing for since I was born. Since I was born, I never see all the countries for Edo State demand better thing for government hand. Not even they demand anything. Now just to the key. Is that a good level be that? Not even come and demand something for government hand. Say government, see what we need because not be waiting they had again. It don't vara. All the countries where they Benin, it vara. Not even say vara. Call Europe. Go anywhere for the world. You go America, go Holland, go London. Nowhere countries not there again. Not waiting they hide. It's our time for we to sit down and reason say okay now. See what do they find, not by killing. The more that they kill, the more the land of Benin they draw and go back where no feel rich. If you don't say you dey cultist, you see the key. Go back and say poverty will never finish your generation. You dey cultist, you still dey kill for Edo State, you dey kill for any state. Poverty will never finish in your generation. I declare poverty to your life. I declare poverty to your life. Now me, your prophet. If you don't say you want to try me, you dey cultist of Benin, you still dey kill. You don't use your country to do better thing. Many people say, since when this boy join court, he level don't change now. Now big dude now. He's investing in so many places. Not be to go join court the key. I declare right now, any country in Benin that is still killing, may poverty never finish in their ass. And the grace. Now me, your prophet, I want to destroy the countries of this world. I will destroy now with spiritual. Everything I will destroy now. I will destroy now. Wait till they stop. Now learn the rain. Now no get sense. Monaco Europe. All this Oyibo they get cultist. Now big boy level. And yeah, big boy level. Why Benin you come be killing. Imagine you say man not play with Aye. Man not play with this one. Man not play with this one. Wait, I go play with everybody. Go punish all of you now. When they share this video, I beg. When they share this video, me all of them they see her. Me they see her say I don't paro this morning. I paro. Hey, where did they stop? We don't even come out. Not go. More use our cultists now. More take demand big thing for government. Now only the leader go to enjoy government. Only the leader. Now they enjoy government. Now only the leader of countries go to enjoy government. Now how much government they give the leader? All those now leader of countries. Now how much those state government they give them? See all the countries where they Nigeria. Their leader, no much those state government they give them. But the local ones where they side, now to the key. The local ones where they side, now to the key. Why killing? Why killing? Why Otena? Why Otena? Why Zua? I mean useless souls. I pity for the family. Now understand the joint court. All the here. Now no get sense. Where did they stop? This money, I dey vex this money for real. I dey paro this money. When I see many dead body yesterday for Benin. Where did they stop? Hey, see dead body full everywhere. Now life be that. Now life be that. Is that one a better life? How can you go and join court and be killing your fellow brothers? You will be happy that we don't have burning 2-1, 4-2. Now they use you might be the cast cause. You might be the cast cause. Today, God, say God not they exist. But God, if you know you are existing, I declare poverty to their life. Now the grace. If God they exist, now go see him. What did they happen? Everywhere, killing for Edo State. Everywhere, killing for Edo State. Why? See, if you dey caught, you not respect yourself. Any girl where they friend you, my fair declare for all those girls. Because now those girls they give a level. God, any girl at all, where you know say boyfriend, na cultist, and that boyfriend the key, and the girl still pretend they give out to me the fuck. Baba God, disgrace that girl in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. God, any girl that sees boyfriend that is a cultist is killing in Edo State in anywhere in Nigeria, and the girl pretend to not talk to the government, to not go and expose that boy, and the girl keeps silent. God, kill that girl immediately. Because all those girls when are the friend, they know na secret. All those girls when are the friend, they know na secret. They need to go and tell government say, you be killer. And if the girls no go tell government, at the same killing, at the same that killing where they kill go return to all those girls. Vosunu, wajare. Mona they share this video at the parole. I beg Mona they share this video. So that means that they see her. I do not just say cold they are the sweat. See my body. Cold then are the sweat. Because at the parole. Vosunu, wajare. Mona go Delta State. Mona see what they use. The community. Government they pay community. And those states not get one group where we say now I recognize we group now. Our government one regular. Our go ginya no one. Eye ma your flag beret. Ba 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 ba. Aye your flag beret. Ba 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 ba. But even the game one where you see you come where they call they say be Zakis. Who are Zaki la ini? Who are Zaki la ini? Who are Zaki who? No get sense. No get sense. Our ladia now you the zuo. Girls not even girls go see soon put all of on yash. Una not get anything for us years. The girl see they happy, my guy get dread. You see them every day open the boy you too. Now so someone that they drop for their dread. Not today their life. Now so someone that they put for their dread. So someone here what the boy you dread. Pull. If not barere. Not the day say not the day the brain. I pity those girls with the friend now. I pity those girls with the friend now. Because when I have a kobo it have a kobo who. Many Okobo the guests. Many Okobo, they're many for guests. Many Okobo, many for guests. I'm your me again now. Are the friend boy with the key? We not get money. Poor boy. We be say not even get money. You know what I hear say don't go key. Now rogel it in one shop. Now rogel it in one shop. I pity the old guests. Mona they share this video because this money are the verse all the cultists. Why killing? The killing is too much. Why? Why killing? Why killing? The killing is too much. Why? Why killing? Why killing? The killing is too much. What did the happen, self? The killing is too much. Where did they stop? Mona they use no sense. Mona go America. Mona go see America cultists. The way they do their thing. Very majestically and matured. Okay, don't work in your way. Edo work in your way. You just see boy when never go school. In every before you know they don't plan for a year. They don't plan for a year, conductor. Osuo. Don't plan for a year. When you come out. They worry you. When they worry you. My brother, my company. My your company. Mona see what you want up. Mona, my company. Me one person go try. I know I'll kill you. But the way the hotel beat you. The way the hotel beat you. You not go die, but the way the hotel beat you. If you see Curtis, you best. Now you wait till they saw up. Well, really. Now not get sense. Now not get sense. If I see any kill again, I go come out. Now we'll see what will happen.